bros?
How's it going?
Well, we were getting ready to explain why the Raptor video is not exactly, been in production recently, and we'll explain that in just a minute, but I forgot that we need to pray for this video, and I totally didn't suggest that in our debrief about what we're going to do for this video.
Yeah, let's just go ahead and pray.
So, I'll do that real quickly if that's okay with you.
That's cool.
Alright, let's pray. Dear God, thank you so much for keeping us safe at our last Carolina Adventure World trip. God, I pray that you continue to keep us safe, and please help us as we go through all of our trials and tribulations, and please help us to keep our head strong. In your holy and gracious name I pray, amen. So the reason why that prayer is so funny is because of a few reasons, but before we do that, we'll go ahead and explain why we haven't done anything production-wise.
Yeah, well, first off, it's rained. It's just been raining a ton, so we haven't had much opportunity.
School, I finally got out with my college classes. I took my finals, and I, for the most part, passed that I know of, at least.
Yeah, I've been in school. It's just a lot. And, we really just haven't had time much. Because one, it's been raining, and two, we both had school, so our schedules really haven't collided that much. This is the first time we've been a week.
Pretty much, yeah. So those two things play together. But now there's one more reason. I broke it.
Yeah.
So basically, what happened is while we were at our last Carolina Adventure World trip, and I know this is a little bit of spoilers, but you guys will probably know by the next video anyway.
Yeah.
Because this is a future us. We've already recorded all that stuff. Those videos will be out later on next week, because this is December 2nd, I believe it is, for our video. We'll probably be posting this today anyway. Just to explain where we're at with you guys. But basically, while we were riding through the trails, we took a few trails. I'm not going to say which one, just so we won't spoil it, but basically, we hit something and it warped the brake rotor, and after it warped, it basically shaved the brake caliper. So we have to replace those two parts, because we'll go into detail and show you guys in just a bit, but it looks really bad, and it's pretty bad for what it is. But it's easily fixed, so we'll probably have it up and running in no time, but it's just going to take a while getting funds and the parts.
Yeah.
So actually, we'll show you guys that in just a second. So welcome back. Camera guy.
Camera guy? Yep. So, here's the damage report. We went to Carolina Adventure World, bent the brake rotor, as you already know, and as you can see, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but yeah, you can see, this is really bent in right here, and it's not straight at all. Like, you can see the path my finger takes, it is not straight, and then we kind of had to do that with the paracord and strap the brake caliper to it, but you can see, I don't know, there's not much light down here, but you can see where it shaved off a good, I don't know if you'd call it a 1/4 inch, but it's bad, a couple millimeters at least, but it shaved off a lot on this caliper, which is honestly really annoying, but it is what it is. The weird thing is, we hit it, it bent this, you can see a little spot right there where it smacked a rock or root or tree or something, but it didn't bend this. It didn't bend the little plastic swing arm guard, which doesn't make any sense at all.
That's supposed to protect it.
That is supposed to protect it, yes. But yeah, I'll shine a little light on it, but yeah, you can see it a little bit better now. If I can get that, there you go. You can see how bad, the shadow, you can see how bad that's scraped up and stuff like that.
Since it's getting closer to Christmas, I know what I'm
going to do from Santa. Yeah, you can see how freaking warped that rotor is. It's bad. But other than that, we need to clean the chain and stuff like that too. We forgot to do that. But other than that, that's all the damage.
Alright, hopefully that was a decent angle. I tried my best to get in there and explain what the heck happened, because it's a little tight spot over there, which you probably already saw. But we've got also a few different videos coming up. We've got probably 2 or 3,
something like that. Basically, the way that it worked out is that he wasn't there for the first day because he was with his family thanks to the Thanksgiving
holiday. Thanksgiving holiday. I was all over the place.
So the first day was really just me going around showing stuff that we haven't shown off before,
Beaver Lake.
Yeah, Beaver Lake. I said that wrong in the video, but it's whatever. And then the other stuff that we did, we kind of went over old trails since it was really bad.
It wasn't even bad. It was just really muddy. Honestly, it was really fun, but that didn't play out to our benefit, as you've just seen.
Yeah. So there was lots of stuff that was covered that we didn't see was there before. So basically, it was fun, but
it wasn't fun in the aftermath.
No, it was very frustrating, and it took 3 hours to clean it.
Yeah, there's also other small damages to the other quad, but it's
reverse stopped working.
Reverse itself is fine. I think so, but the reverse lockout switch on the right side, I think the linkage is either broke or a little plastic piece is broke inside, so it won't disengage the lockout all the way, so it won't go in reverse. But other than that, everything is fine.
Yeah, shifting wise, it's fine.
Shifting's good. Everything's good. The 250 actually ran really well
for what it was worth.
For what it is, yeah, I was really impressed by that thing, especially in the mud and stuff like that. Because we were keeping up with, like, you'll see in the video, we were keeping up with freaking Can-Ams that have, like, the widening kits, and they got, like, the 30-inch tires, and they're just massive. It was just right behind it.
So, before we give any more spoilers about how fun that trip was, I think we should go ahead and let you all know that those videos will be coming out next week. I'm pretty sure I have a video going to be dropping this Friday, because today's the 2nd, like I said earlier in the video.
Yeah.
Only because we had it ready for today, but I misspelled a crap ton of stuff. Like, you have no idea how bad it was. So that video should be out this Friday, and then I'll probably will have enough time this weekend whenever we're not doing anything, since we have downtime, since everything is basically almost broken or not working. so
well, you'll be here by yourself. I'll just be out doing something. I know I have something. I don't remember what.
Yeah, so I'll probably have those videos out for you guys in our normal posting schedule at Tuesday and Thursday. So it really just depends on what the footage we have, because like the way it's combined, like the way I'm gonna combine it, it really just depends. I'm trying to keep it below 30 minutes, if at all possible, just for you guys. So, I don't know. Everything's up in the air.
And the footage this time, it wasn't like we got a bunch of footage, but it was just repetitive.
Yeah, it was all stuff we've done before, but it was just a little bit of a.
We got frustrated near the end because we broke that one, and then you'll see. I don't know if you'll put it in the video, but we got stuck in the 250. I didn't think it was that big of an obstacle, but it was that big of an obstacle. That's all I'll say.
It's so hard talking to you guys about all the stuff we've done, because we're so excited to show you guys.
But you'll see it eventually, or if it's even in the video.
It definitely won't be now, because I kind of have to.
Yeah, but yeah, it was fun. But
I don't know, it's kind of fun to break character in some of these, because, like, honestly, you guys have been so supportive and amazing throughout this entire thing. Like, to be honest with you, since we started in, like, June or July, like, I don't even remember, is it June or July? June.
we started in June.
So, like, we're already up to 144, and, like...
And one of our videos is almost 1,000.
You guys have blown that out the water. Like, I don't understand where all the support's coming from, but you guys are amazing. So, please, thank you for everything you guys have done. Like, we're beyond grateful for everything. Like, I'll be honest with you, the way the last trip went, if it wasn't for you guys, I knew you guys were watching and you guys were interested in this stuff.
We both would have just gone home, man.
Yeah, we would have left.
But so we stayed level-headed eventually, and then got it done.
So be sure to pat you guys on the back, because the next coming content is thanks to you guys. So thank you all for your support. Sincerely.
After we blew some steam, we were good. But other than that, the ride home was just a long one.
Yeah, we took a nap. I almost took a nap.
Yeah, I was driving. I wouldn't take a nap. But yeah, that's just the stuff coming up, and that's the damage report or whatever. I think we got to service the 250 and the players, right?
Yeah, those two have
just
to
grease them up and
grease fittings. That's the wheel. Yeah, you're right.
So
yeah, other than that, we have those 3 videos, and then we're not planned to ride extravagantly, like at a park, basically, because I think we got some stuff planned for January, so be looking out for that stuff.
Yeah.
But I don't think there's gonna be anything else for this Christmas break area.
We'll try and get in some videos, just depending on
if there is.
It's just depending on what we do and what we have access to and stuff like that. Like, we're looking for different parks, but it's just we live in an area where it's either land owned by people and we can't go ride on it, or it's just ATV parks like Carolina Adventure World. It's just made for like big UTVs and stuff like that.
And even then, whenever we do find a place, like there's one place that we could have gone to up in Hemingway, I believe it is. Like it's like a motocross track, and like, with all due respect, I respect the power of the Raptor, and I'm scared to jump it, so I would be ran over.
I would try it, but I have no experience on a motocross track. Like, you have way more experience riding than I do. Like, I've only been doing this for probably a year now.
But the only thing is, the big jump and the tabletop scare me. Like,
I would do the tabletop. I'm not even gonna lie. I would do the tabletop. I would get comfortable. I wouldn't jump the full thing.
Yeah, I'm getting myself into it slowly, like you guys saw, or you're going to see this Friday. I've worked up enough confidence to do some stuff, but like, To be honest with you, I've had some stuff happen early on whenever it was traumatizing to me as like a 5-year-old jumping wise that I did with a four-wheeler. That's like been like a mental block ever since. So like it's just me trying to get out my comfort zone and do more things.
Yeah, and that one for you is a whole new beast.
Oh yeah.
Especially for power and for the clutch, because you grew up on like the 90 and the 250.
Yeah, those aren't clutch required.
And like I've already got clutch stuff down as I drive a manual truck and all that. But I mean, I haven't done four-wheeler stuff. I've done just bike stuff and just stuff that little kids do. Like I take skateboard ramps and jump off of them all the time. I was like the daredevil kid who would just do whatever the crap he could.
I was the one that didn't do anything.
But the four-wheelers are definitely a whole new beast. Like you see me in the videos, like I'm over there doing wheelies off of jumps and stuff like that. Like I can't do a wheelie standing to save my life, but I can do one off a jump, which doesn't make any sense. But I probably send it a little too hard sometimes. Luckily, I haven't gotten a wreck. You have. But yeah.
That's why I try not to push myself, because I know I'll get hurt in somewhere.
Yeah, I mean, I push myself, but I know my boundaries, and luckily that saved me a couple times. Just a few.
We didn't have it on camera, but
one time I wasn't even trying to do anything. I was doing a donut, and I caught a root and I caught traction, and it flung me off the four-wheeler. Glad that wasn't on camera. That would have sucked.
It was the same trip.
And it was the one.
Trip.
Yeah, we didn't catch a lot of that stuff on camera just because there was a ton of people there. We couldn't really film much, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is.
So yeah, though we got 3 videos coming from the Carolina Adventure World Thanksgiving trip. We got 1 video maybe coming. We'll probably do a comparison between the Raptor and the 250 on the tracks. That's been in the works for a while. We've been talking about it.
Yeah, we just haven't had time to do that. That'll definitely be fun though.
It'll be, yeah.
We went out and tested on the track a while ago, the Raptor and the 250, and honestly on the short track out there, they're really close because that one's a lot wider and you can't let out the power, but that one it's narrower, but it's not as fast. You can take the corners faster.
Yeah.
And it's just they're really close actually. Like if we put me on the Raptor and you on the 250, and then me on the 250 and you on the Raptor, it'd be similar times for each.
Probably.
So.
Well, other than the fact that you have to contribute the fact that I am a bit of a pansy when it comes to some things, so I probably will not have a good time at all. But
it'll be alright.
It happens. So we're pushing close to maybe 15 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and cut it now, so that way you guys don't have to watch this. But we do appreciate all your support, and again, if you guys do have any suggestions, please be sure to let us know. We are not scared at all to talk with you guys. Don't be scared to talk to us.
No, because we both kind of went on a little rambling trip this video, so
yeah, so
this is way longer than we planned.
Yeah, now you know more about us. So without further ado, we will catch you guys in the outro. Have a good one.
See ya.
What's up with the bros? I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and if you guys haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. It's free, you can change your mind anytime, plus it helps out the channel.
And if you want to get to know me and Will, you can go follow our Instagram. Link will be down in the description. We post anything from just us going to Carolina Adventure World or us just ripping around the yard doing funny shenanigans like that.
And if you guys have any suggestions for trips or any way to improve our channel, any way, shape, form, or possibility, you guys can leave a comment in the comment section down below. We'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Yeah, you can DM us. Suggestions are always open. We love you guys commenting and giving us suggestions like that. Just helps our channel grow, and we love you guys for doing that.
And also on the topic of links, there are a few links that we have down in our description as well. There are links all the way from our sticker guy, Mr. Travis Truett, who has helped us out phenomenally, or all the way to the Honda and Yamaha website where you guys can go purchase parts for your own quads at home.
Yeah, we thank you guys for all the support and everything you do for us. We love you guys.
Thank you guys. Peace.